Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your live location on Instagram direct messages. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And then, for example guys, I'm going to share my live location to my another Instagram account. I'm going to go to the Instagram direct messages by clicking on this icon on the top right. And then I'm going to send my live location to this account. This is my second Instagram account guys, and I'm going to tap on that. Okay, and if we want to share our location, we can click on this plus icon, and then we can click on location. Okay, and here we'll have two options guys. Either we want to share pinned location or live location. If you want to send pinned location, you can use the symbol. You just need to click on the symbol and you're going to select the location you want to send to your friend. Or you can go to the search menu and you can search for a location you want to send. Okay, and since we want to share a live location, we can click on share your location right here. But before you share your location, you can read the information. Your live location will be shared for 1 hour. Only share your location with people you know in real life. Okay, and let's tap on this share your location. Okay, and now my live location has been shared to my second account. Now the location is being shared, and I'm going to check it on my second account. Okay, this is my second account, and I'm going to open up the Instagram direct messages. Okay, and this is how the live location looks like, and I'm going to click on view. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my first account, and I'm going to stop the live location. If you want to stop the live location, you just need to go back and then click on view, and you can click on stop sharing location. Okay, and now the live location has been ended. Okay, as you can see that the location is expired. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share live location on Instagram direct messages. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.